Good day once again, YouTubers. So today I went to the mall just for peg hunting. Unfortunately, didn't find any good pegs for Hot Wheels, and didn't find new stuff for Tomikas. I was searching for some new releases from Tomikas, like the Tomikas La Ferrari and also the new releases from Hot Wheels, like the Mobile. But unfortunately, I wasn't able to find one. I was only able to find one. I was able only to buy one car. So this is it. Let's open this one. This is from Toys R Us. So here it is. I know this is an older release. This is from Matchbox, and it's from the Jurassic Park series. It's the 2014 Mercedes Benz G-Wagon, or they call this one the Mercedes Benz G550. So I've noticed that Matchbox has already increased their price from 149 pesos to 199.75 pesos. So that's around $4 US dollars. So here's the car. I also have a Mercedes G-Wagon from Tomica, so I might do a comparison of both cars. I really like the design of the card from this one, of the peg from the series. So let's unbox this right now. Sorry, I'm only using one hand because my other hand is holding my cell phone. Wait a minute. So here's the car. I really like the wheels on this model. I think they have the same wheel on the Matchbox Jurassic Park Jeep. So if anyone has one, can you confirm that? I wish they painted the Mercedes logo at the front. Also, I also like the bumper here. So this one is lighter than the Tomica G-Wagon. I also like the blue windshield on this one. Also a side mirrors here, and a rear reserved wheel here with Mercedes Benz logo. So the base on this one is plastic. Yes, it's a plastic base. It has a metal body. It has good outlines also, as you can see the car's roof. I wish that they put a roof rack here, so I might make my own roof rack on this one. And I also wish they put rear headlight tampos. So cool. Rear wiper here. The front also has wipers. Cool car overall. I really like this one. Ooh. No suspension. So here, another closer look of the car. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing and review of the Matchbox Jurassic Park Mercedes G-Wagon. Keep enjoying life. Thank you and goodbye.